This is a tutorial for cataloging multiple images in Omeka. This process should be used when you have a series of related images, such as a group of concept photos or a collection of photos from a single photo shoot or endorsement campaign. You need to catalog each image before you come to the point where you're going to catalog the collection of images. So they should already be in the archive at this point. To begin, we're going to add a new item to our archive. And we're going to be using exclusively Dublin Core fields for cataloging multiple images. Once again, this will be far easier if you use your cataloging worksheet, entering the information before you actually put it into the fields for Omeka. So I'm going to start with the title field. And then I'm going to move to description. Because I have hyperlinked URLs, I need to click the Use HTML box to bring up the HTML editor, and I'm going to enter that information. As you can see with the multiple images, you want to make sure that you account for everyone that's in the collection of images as a whole. You also need the statement, see individual images for their respective metadata. Each image will have its own metadata because sometimes the images come from different sources. The next field is the date. And then the final field is the type. Next, we want to move on to collections and select the appropriate collection. We next want to move on to files, and we will be uploading multiple files because we are cataloging multiple images in one item. So I'm going to click Choose File. And I'm going to proceed to add all the files associated with this particular collection of images. So each time you want to add a file, you should click Add another file. With all of my files added, I'm now going to move on to tags. And I'm going to copy and paste the appropriate tags for the collection of items. Then I'm going to add my item. I can see that my item has been added to the archive. Now I'm going to check my work. I click on the item, and then I click on View Public Page. This is how it looks to the public. And what you find is that the first file that you add is the lead image, and then there are thumbnails for all of the other files attached to the item. I see that I have my Dublin Core, my metadata, and all of my links are active. So this ends the tutorial on cataloging multiple images in Omeka.